In this video, I'll show how to fix your HDMI connection problem on your Sony TV. I'll show you a few tricks, so let's get started with the easiest of them. So what you need to do is to first unplug every HDMI devices from your Sony TV, and then unplug your TV from the wall socket during 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, find the power button of your Sony TV and press it during 30 seconds. That button is often located on the back or under your Sony TV. Then when the time has passed, plug back your TV into the wall socket and then connect one by one each HDMI devices. This should solve your problem and you won't need anything else after that. Another thing that you can look is the HDMI cable. I suggest that you use another one, the one that you're currently using. Sometimes the problem is not the TV, it's the cable. With time, they stop working properly because they bended and they're connected many times. So I'm sure you have another one laying around your house. Pick it up and try it. I also put a link in the description if you want to get a brand new one from Amazon. Another solution is to disconnect everything from the HDMI ports and press with your finger on the ports themselves. Sometimes those ports get disconnected from the motherboard, and by pressing it with your fingers very firmly, you're able to reconnect them. Also, when you connect back the HDMI cable, apply more pressure than usual. This way, you're sure it will sit snugly there, and maybe you will even reconnect the port to the motherboard by doing this. Another thing that you can check is that you have selected the right HDMI input on your TV. On the back of your Sony TV, each HDMI ports have a number, 1, 2 or 3. On the remote control, you should have an input button. Press on it and select the right HDMI input depending in which one the device is connected. So you need to go on the back of your TV and check which of those ports is in use. Some TVs even have an input button on the back of them, not all of them. And with this button, you're able again to select which HDMI ports the TV will use. If nothing works, you can also factory reset your Sony TV. You're gonna lose all the apps and all your personal data. The TV will be just like when you unboxed it when it was brand new. If you have one of those newer Sony TVs, you need to select the settings wheel on the top right corner on the screen, and then select storage and reset. Select factory data reset, and then select factory data reset again. You should see erase everything button, just press on it and it will take a few minutes. I really hope one of this solution worked. Please type down below if it did, and if you have other tips, again type them down below. Leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.